All right, so today is Eleanor's birthday session. Eleanor has been here many times. She has worked with us for years now, I think. I can't remember how many years, but we're gonna get some great poses. I'm really looking forward to it. Got my coffee, ready to go. Oh wait, I almost forgot. If you want to know a little bit more detail about how I shot this session photographically, I'm going to put a full lighting diagram with lighting position, settings, everything at the end of this video.
Purple, then black, then white, then gray. So that's 5.
That's a lot of favorite colors. 5, okay. Well, look, she's ready to rock her pose. Let me see your pose. Let me see how you would pose. Let me just, I just want to see it. Let me see what you would, oh, that's no good.
I need to see your eyes. Just yes, that's it.
My turn.
Oh, okay, I can't wait. I thought that was the pose.
Okay, so here's the details. This setup is one I use for a lot of my studio sessions. It's my go-to setup. So in this case, we have a key light on the left, we have a strip light on the right, and behind camera is a fill light. I always shoot at f11 in the studio, so I measure key light to f11, and fill light is about usually 5.6 to f8. Strip light is maybe 5.6 to f8, and the background light is usually at key light, which is f11 or a little bit lower. The key light is the most important at f11. Everything follows off of that. What I often say is many of my lighting setups are, quote, to taste. So your mileage may vary. There you go.